My dear devotees, I am your Krishna speaking. Today I am watching your devotion, your discipline, and the purity of your heart. On this sacred day of Dev Uthani, when you keep fast with love and faith, I feel your every emotion so closely. I see how you wake up early, how you clean your home and your mind, and how you silently speak to me through your prayers. You may not speak loudly, but your heart speaks to me, and I hear every word. I understand every unspoken feeling and every hidden pain. The fast you have kept today is not only a ritual, it is the language of love that reaches me faster than any words. My dear devotees, I know that sometimes you wonder, is Krishna listening to me? Do my prayers truly reach him? Today I tell you yes, I hear you. I hear you every single time your heart whispers my name. You do not need to impress me with big words, expensive offerings or rituals. What touches me the most is your pure emotion, your bhakti. It is your devotion that brings me close to you. When your heart remembers me with love, when your mind chants my name, when your thoughts trust in me, then I come near you like a gentle breeze touching your soul. The fast you have observed today is not a show for the world. It is a silent connection between you and me. When you fast with pure love, when you give up something for devotion, then that sacrifice turns into divine energy. It becomes a light that removes the darkness of sorrows from your life. With every prayer, you are planting a seed of blessings, and every seed born from pure devotion always grows and blooms, no matter how harsh the season. My dear devotees, remember this truth. Devotion is not measured by how long you pray, but by how deep your trust is. Even if you say my name just once with true love, that one word can change your destiny. When you take a small step toward me, I run toward you. When you give even a single moment of pure faith, I return it with countless blessings. When you surrender your worries to me, I take responsibility for your life. Today on Dev Uthani, as you pray and fast, I am watching every moment of your devotion. When a devotee remembers me with pure feelings, chants my name, and shows love for me, I too remove his sorrows. I promise. Whoever worships me today from the depth of the heart, I fulfill the desire that lies within the heart. Your faith is your strength. Your devotion is your power. Your love is the pure magnet that pulls me toward you. Never feel that you are alone. Never feel that your efforts are unseen. Never feel that your prayers are unheard. I am here. I am in every step you take with faith. I walk beside you even when you don't realize it. Every problem you face, every fear you carry, I already know. When you remain strong and keep faith, then miracles happen. Your faith brings transformation. It opens doors that were closed. It makes the impossible possible. Do not ever think that your life is stuck or delayed. I work in silence. I move things for you even when you see nothing changing. I create opportunities that you cannot imagine. I bring the right people into your life. I remove the ones who are not meant to walk with you. Your patience today will become your victory tomorrow. Every fast you keep, every tear you shed, every prayer you whisper becomes a part of your blessings. My dear devotees, remember me with a faith as light as a flower, as pure as a tear, and as innocent as a child. When you pray with a heart full of innocence, your prayers reach me faster. I remove obstacles that stand in your path. I turn every struggle into a lesson. Today is sacred for you. Today is the day when your prayers touch the highest realms. Today is the day your wishes reach directly to me. Believe that you will receive what you ask for. When faith becomes strong, blessings become certain. Do not allow fear to live in your heart. Fear blocks blessings, but faith attracts miracles. Choose faith. Choose devotion. choose love. If you give me even one moment of trust, then I hold your life with both of my hands. When you surrender to me and say, Krishna, I trust you, then my blessings flow endlessly. You often worry about the future, your family, your relationships, your finances, your dreams. But why do you fear the future when I am already there? I know the path ahead. I know what is right for you. Trust the timing. I am arranging everything in the right way and at the right moment. Every delay is protection. Every rejection is redirection. Every struggle is preparation. My dear child, your tears do not go unnoticed. Your pain is not wasted. Your patience is never ignored. I hold every emotion in my heart. When you feel lost, I become your direction. When you feel broken, I become your strength. When you feel alone, I become your companion. I never leave the devotee who believes in me, who walks on the path of devotion. Even when you cannot see me, trust that I am working. Even when you feel tired, trust that victory is near. Even when nothing makes sense, trust that everything is coming together in my divine plan. Your devotion is not your weakness, it is your greatest power. Your faith is not just belief, it is your bridge to miracles. With today's prayer, you have offered me your devotion, and I offer you my blessings. Your wishes will be fulfilled, your sorrows will be removed, your life will soon be filled with light. Celebrate every moment with the faith that I am near you, guiding and protecting. Just keep love and faith in your heart. When the faith of a devotee becomes strong, the blessings of God become certain. I, your Krishna, am always with you. I walk with you. I guide you. I hold you. Remember this, my love for you is endless and my blessings for you are infinite. Prayer, my dear God, with a pure heart and full trust, I surrender all my worries, doubts, and fears to you. Fill my life with peace, strength, and clarity. Guide me on the path of light, truth, and devotion. Bless my family, my home, and my journey. Remove all obstacles from my life and make my heart strong with faith and love. I accept your divine plan with gratitude, devotion, and surrender. My heart belongs to you, my God. Prayer, O divine power, guide me with your light when my path feels dark. Give me strength when I feel weak and peace when my heart is restless. Help me trust your plan even when I cannot see the way. Teach me to let go of fear and walk with faith. Fill my soul with love, my mind with clarity, and my heart with courage. May my actions reflect kindness and my life reflect your grace. Let your will be done through me.